Your DataMaxx Pro Dash has 3 different power modes: shutdown overnight or longer, sleep between rounds, and a screensaver for charging. In order for your Pro Dash to turn on the instant you give it power, we have an internal battery inside that needs to stay charged. When you shut down overnight or longer, we are completely disconnecting the battery and saving the charge for the actual race day. When you are in this fully shut down mode, it will take approximately 60 seconds before the gauges appear. The first time you turn on the Pro Dash at a new event, it will take 60 seconds to boot up. After that, each time you turn on power, it will light up within 2 seconds. It will continue to be in this fast boot mode until you tell the unit to shut down overnight or longer. If your internal battery gets low enough, the unit can go into slow boot mode, which takes a minute, instead of the fast boot mode, which takes 2 seconds. To make sure that you are able to stay in fast boot mode during a race day, please make sure that your battery is fully charged up between events and that you perform the power shutdown overnight or longer to conserve your battery. Charging your internal dash battery can be done 2 different ways. The first and most simple is to just leave power on to the dash. Whenever the dash is on, it is charging its small tablet battery and keeping it topped off. If you remove power to the dash, the tablet will turn off after 30 seconds and it is no longer charging the battery. The other option to charge the battery is to remove the Deutsch connector from the car wiring and plug it in using the optional wall transformer. This allows you to charge the DataMaxx Pro Dash without having to keep any of the electronics in your car on. After a race, it is recommended to charge the battery to full capacity, 100% or for 4 hours, and then manually power off the unit so we can conserve the most amount of battery and be ready for the next race. After it is fully charged, shut down the unit by clicking and holding anywhere on the screen, then selecting More Options, then Settings, then Power. Then select the shutdown overnight or longer and remove the 12-volt power. The dash should be turned off and ready for race day now. If you do not send the shutdown message, your battery will drain slightly until it is too low and it will then disconnect the battery, causing slow boots until the battery charges more.